Boy, I just love Kentucky. It's a pretty nifty state. Look at all the nifty nature. This is the tree. You can tell it's a tree because of the way it looks. Pretty nifty, eh? Spiders, one of the niftiest things in Kentucky, because they make these sticky stringy circles that catch bugs and eats them alive. Now I'm going to show you how to stir up the seeds to bring forth nifty things from the stream. Yep! Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, sweet. I knew it would work. Look what the stream brought us. Nature's finest license plate. The Kentucky Heritage Land Conservation Fund uses these to preserve habitats. They even sell these to fund their cause. I even have one on my moped. It's important to keep Kentucky's nature nifty. So go pick up one of these Nature's finest license plates. Guarantee you never look cooler on the moped. Nature's finest license plate. The Kentucky Heritage Land Conservation Fund uses these to preserve habitats. They even sell these to fund their cause. I even have one on my license plate.